I'll see how long the battery lasts. Okay.
Are you ready, boys?
All right. Everyone's ready? Sounds good. Sweet. So I think for any... Oh, go ahead, Crusader.
You can't throw it. I'm so sorry. Melees do count, but you gotta just tap them. Yeah, like that. Alrighty. Just so you guys know, the package is going to be a folding chair with watermelon print on it.
Okay.
It's going to be the same package that they want to take from you. So once you get it, you're going to want to defend it and take it to the Raptor flag. If they take it first and try to get it to Crusader, regardless of if it gets there or not, you're going to want to try and take it from them and then bring it to Raptor flag and hold it there until the end of the game.
And they're trying to bring it to Crusader flag.
Yes.
Sounds good.
Yes.
We're trying to go diagonal.
Basically, yep. So,
And where is it located?
tire trench. Those tires right over there. Yeah, so for any of you that feel comfortable doing this, we're gonna assemble a squad for running straight to there to hold them off for a little bit while the rest of us bring up the rear and bring in support, basically. Yeah, so for those of you interested in running, I'm gonna be running up there as well, basically. For those of you not interested, don't worry about it. Just walk to Raptor flag, basically.
Okay, guys,
Intercept them if they get
ready?
it first. Yeah. Yep, we're ready.
Alrighty.
Maybe. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see.
3,
3,
2, 1, go.
go, go, go! They're getting to the wall, watch out! Take cover, take cover!
Double kill.
Got it! Crossing. We need some flankers to go into Straw Hill and take out those guys that are barricaded up.
What's up, man? Right side, right side.
Copy, copy. He's down, he's down. Good call, good call. Watch out, you're straight ahead. There's got some good snipers. Watch out, covering fire. Watch out to your right. Bagger secured. Oh, hit. Bang, bang!
Kill. Overkill. kill. Kill-tacular. Killing spree. Kill-trocity. Kilimanjaro. Kill-tastrophe.
You good? Yellow, yep. All right, so we've got defenders. I'm holding them back right now, but they've got enemy positions up ahead. So you need what? They have it. They're trying to get to Raptor right now. We need to cut down those two people. So I'm gonna give you cover fire while you run to that barricade and run around. All right?
All right, you want me to shoot?
I got you. You do. You run. Go, go, go! You got enemy on your right side. On your right side. Did that hit me? I don't know.
Reverse.
Hit! Oh, right in the head too. Nice headshot. Oh. Problem is there's no good angle on this assault. Copy, copy.
Double kill.
Clear the line of fire. Clear out, clear out. Oh, hit, nice. I think we're good.
Double kill. Triple kill. Overkill.
Push up! Push up! There's only one left! Move, move, move!
Kill-tacular. Kill-trocity. Killing spree. Kilimanjaro.
I think that was a hit. I think it got me. I'm down. Nice shot. What?
How's it looking out there?
Well, I'm dead right now.
Oh, you can't say anything?
No, I can't say anything while I'm dead. Just gotta finish reloading my mag.
Where are they?
All right there.
That's them.
So they're gonna be pushing forward in a little bit. Yeah. All right, guys, we need to spread out a little bit. One of us needs to go where that guy is to support him. Two of us at that other barricade. One of us over here.
The second they rush, we're gonna light them up.
Yeah, I'm gonna push up this A-frame real quick anyways. I'm just sitting right here because I like this spot. Hey, let's get a couple guys in that trench over there. Hey, far barricade over there with the LMG gun. Let's get a couple guys in the trench. I'm just vibing over here, don't worry about me. Oh, bang, bang.
I got you first.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Ow. Sorry.
Yeah, he's collecting his gun. Let him go.
Dude, I was trying to get two girls with me. Oh,
Sorry,
I think that's
I
like
was
where they
completely
are. No! I'm like, come on, man! Yeah, they're just holding that right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's 3 of them right
Till the end of the game, so we probably have like another 20 minutes left. Hey, let's get 2 people in that trench over there for an L-shaped defense, and 2 people back at those barricades. So if you want to take that trench, yeah, if you and him want to take that trench and hold that, because that way we have an L.
Reese, take that L fortification right there.
Yep.
So I think